Surface scratches from abrasive cleaning tools can ruin your furniture or countertops faster than you think, so you gotta be super careful with what you're using to clean. Like, first off, always grab a soft cloth instead of rough sponges or scrub brushes, because those little scratches add up. When wiping down surfaces, dampen the cloth just a bit. It helps pick up dust and dirt without scratching. If you're dealing with sticky stuff, use gentle, circular motions instead of scrubbing hard. Avoid any cleaning tools with harsh fibers or steel wool. They'll leave marks that are tough to fix. For delicate surfaces like wood or glass, try microfiber cloths. They're awesome for trapping dirt while being super gentle. Also, steer clear of abrasive cleaners like baking soda or powders unless they're made for your specific surface. When in doubt, test your cleaner on a tiny hidden spot first to see if it causes any damage. And always rinse and dry the surface right after cleaning to avoid residue buildup that can look like scratches over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with surface scratches from abrasive cleaning tools is using the wrong cloth or sponge, which can leave fine scratches all over. To fix that, switch to microfiber or soft cotton cloths that won't harm your surfaces. Another common problem is scrubbing too hard when trying to get rid of stubborn spots. Go easy and use gentle motions instead to protect the finish. Lastly, many don't realize abrasive cleaners themselves cause scratches, so swapping those out for non-abrasive alternatives designed for your surface is key to keeping things smooth and scratch-free. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and treat your home right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners ready to get projects done without the usual hassle.